Yes. So I'm not even go for some people here. Please, the diverticuli should be kept conspicuously for your examiner to see, to know that you have displayed the diverticuli. From the diverticuli, you have to move upwards. Upwards. You have what? The small intestines. At this level, now look at what I'm doing here, please. At this level, I'll advise you not to destroy these mesenteries. These particular mesenteries, what do you do? Diverticuli, you can put them, since this one is too big, you can put them like this. Your mesenteries here should be showing. This, your small intestine. From your small intestine, you have what? This area now will be what? The duodenum, the first part of the small intestine called duodenum. From the duodenum, look at this place now. What is this? A leaf-like structure is called what? The pancreas. That produces pancreatic juice, which contains the enzyme pancreatic amylase, pancreozymin. They all function in the digestion of what? Protein. To break down protein. We saw that in nutritional enzyme when we were treating coordination. So please, when you do that, it is very imperative that you put here duodenum. Look at it, the pancreas. When your pancreas is constituted, what do you have here? This is a gizzard. The gizzard does what? It also swallows stone to ground food. From the gizzard, we have what here? The liver. The liver functions in digestion. It produces what? We have the liver. We have what here? The gallbladder. It is conspicuously showing the gallbladder. Everything here is showing. This is the digestive system. We have the succum that stores physics temporally. From the succum, we have this is the succum. We have the diverticuli. Our diverticuli is here very conspicuous. Diverticuli. From here, we have the small intestine. From the small intestine, we have the duodenum, along which we have what? The pancreas. In some teachers will ask you to remove it. Don't remove it. You remove it all, you'll not be able to see the pancreas conspicuously. You leave the pancreas, let's see it, a leaf-like structure. From the pancreas, you have what? The liver. The liver lobes, left and right liver lobes. From in between them, somehow you have what? The gallbladder. You know all the hormones that all of this secretes. At times, they may ask you to crush part of the liver lobes, to remove part of the liver lobes and test for what? Protein. Or test for what? Enzyme. Yes. Or even part of the pancreas. Or they may ask you to tear part of this flesh and test for protein. Knowing fully whether you have already done test of protein, you know what it will produce. Just crush part of the flesh, let the examiner be going around and see what you are doing. But your report now is what you have learned to at home in your lab manner. Whatever thing we do here in dissection is for the examiner to say that you have dissected. For example, if they ask you, display this organism to show the digestive system. This is what you do. The diverticuli is there. They have seen the small intestine with what? Mesenteries you have labeled. They come here, they see what? The duodenum. From the duodenum, they see the pancreas. The crop is there. The gizzard is there. From here now, what do? You need to show what? The crop. The crop is found here. This is our crop. So you do what? You label your crop. When the thing is eating, it swallows what? Food and stones. The crop is the first part of the digestion after the mouth. The esophagus is not the grounding part. It's the second part. The third part of the grounding part is the crop. The crop stores food temporarily and grounds some of them and send them to where? The stomach. From the stomach, before they leave the stomach, they have to enter into where? They have to pass through the gizzard. The gizzard will be releasing stones to ground the food perfectly so that they will pass through the alimentary canal for further digestion processes. The stomach just stays in the stomach for some small digestion to take place. But the redigestion with the birds, since they don't have teeth for proper digestion, takes place where? At the level of the duodenum, the first part of the small intestine. Answer. Tell her that the French child will come. So please, that is that for digestive system. You already know what is entailed.